Yes, my good people. How are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to my new channel. Welcome to my new channel. This is Samuel underscore KE. Actually, this is a new channel, guys. Please help me and support my new channel because maybe you see me in a different channel, and yes, I was just in another channel, but I was having a problem with that channel, so that I start a new channel. I start fresh, guys, so I can continue with the vlogs, content, traveling, lifestyle, but all in all, guys, welcome and support my YouTube channel so that I can go to 1K subscribers, guys, because you watch and you help me to get many subscribers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is our first video, guys. You know how you feel, guys, when you do things in a first time, but it's not easy, but to me, hopefully, I believe that I will do better because I have people like you, so you can watch and you can support to get more watching hours, to get many subscribers, as I said. Yeah, and today started a new channel here, guys. Please help me to get monetized, help me to get watching hours, help me to get many subscribers. Yes, this is Samuel underscore KE. Welcome back to my new channel and support my YouTube channel here, guys. Yes, guys, thank you so much. As I said, it is actually is a new channel, and today, you know what, I'm visiting one of our big YouTubers big YouTuber in this village, Nyabohanse. I'm talking about whom, but today I visited to my friend here, Cloud Joseph. Yes.
What's up, guys? Am I even big?
You're big.
Thank you for that honor.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Samuel underscore KE's channel. My name is Cloud Joseph.
Yeah.
And in case you're new here, kindly feel free to subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. And also, if you're from Cloud Joseph, make sure you subscribe to Samuel underscore KE.
Yeah.
Actually, it's a newly. Oh my God! Oh, it's power.
Yeah.
The power is going up. It's his new channel. What is it? The power. It is his new channel, guys. Kindly, and the thing is, it is his new channel, and he has been really doing on the other channels, but still, they have some issues. But now here we are today with him. If you feel, guys, like, please kindly check him out and subscribe. If you see Cloud here, say, "Hey, Cloud sent me here." And how are you, Mr. Samuel?
I'm fine, thank you. And thank you so much for allowing me to come to your house. That is not easy. Sometimes you can call somebody, you can ask him, maybe you want to visit him, maybe you can say, "No, I'm very busy, I can't maybe allow you to come." But for you said, okay, you can come, and we can share a lot. So thank you so much, Cloud.
Welcome.
I appreciate your heart. Yes.
Feel at home, feel free, and anytime, just a stone's throw away. You can just say, "Oh, Cloud," just have a phone call and say, "Okay, this have done this," because I usually believe if you do good to people, always good things will follow you back.
Yeah.
Because I believe in karma. If you do bad things will come on you.
Yeah.
So, but we are here. We are also wishing each and every person watching this video, guys. It's his first video here on this channel at Samuel underscore Mwaka. Samuel underscore KE. So kindly make sure you do so by subscribing, and we are here actually to push him and also to support him in another way where we can. So Samuel Mwaka, how has it been?
Okay, I'm good, I'm fine, and I'm happy to be here. But coming here, just as I said before, you are a big YouTuber than me.
So actually, respect is there. No matter maybe how big somebody can be, how low somebody can be, the respect is there.
Yeah.
I don't discriminate, that this has 1 subscriber, this has 2 subscribers, this has 200 subscribers. Still my respect is just there. It's the same.
That is true.
Yes.
I was just decided to come here so
Yes.
that maybe I can have like a lesson to learn from you. You can advise me, and I think we have time, and we shared many things about YouTube. So to me, I was just I can say that thank you so much for allow me to come here and have time with you to share a lot about YouTube. So I can maybe ask you some question here about you. I was just following you and watch your videos traveling from Kenya to South Africa and other countries. How difficult is maybe if you apply, you have maybe some activities to do and you want to do maybe you want to travel and to do a content in a YouTube. How you can manage, how you manage to do that work of YouTube and other activities.
Actually, there's what we call like balancing.
Okay.
Like with me in a year, sometimes I might find myself traveling maybe 6 months, but in a systematic way.
Okay.
I might travel maybe starting from January. I can travel up to March. Then I come back home, sort my activities. Then when I'm done, maybe in those 3 months back at home or 2 months back at home, then I can feel like it's now time also for me to just go also to travel to another place. Not necessarily it might be maybe outside the country or inside the country, but what matters is traveling. So maybe for also 1 month or 2 months, then the rest can also follow. So it's a systematic way where I balance between traveling and my other activities. Like for now, as we speak, we have a dream to build a home. So sometimes I balance between traveling and building a home. So you see, like I can go maybe for 1 month or 2 months, I come back, whatever I found, I come with it, and then I can do what we call like maybe pour some little materials and other stuffs. So that's what we call balancing. So it's not like necessarily I focus throughout on traveling, but I focus also on other activities.
Okay, how difficult is maybe you go to other country and meet with different people who don't know maybe about them, and how is difficult to maybe to interact with them?
The only thing there is to be open. If you have what you call like openness in you, then everything just goes on well. Openness means you are ready to learn. You are ready to be who you are. You are ready to do anything, regardless of whatever you have planned for. Sorry guys, we're just balancing our camera over here. So the moment your mind is, you are free, open-minded, that means you're ready to learn, because you are going to a place where you don't know what they eat, who will host you, what they speak, and what their culture look like. But you are there to stay, you are there to learn, and you are there to just respect their culture. So with me there, sometimes I face challenges, maybe like language barrier, sometimes food, in terms of food, in terms of maybe me at home I've been used to stay in such a place, but here I'm staying in another place. So but you are in a place where like you are ready to learn. So when you are open-minded, you are ready to learn. And respect, because you can go to a place where people, they eat what you don't eat, but just respect them. So respect, being honest to yourself, and being open-minded, that means you're ready to learn.
Wow, that's good, and thank you so much for explaining to me. And,
you're welcome.
I get something and I learn something from you.
For sure.
Thank you so much.
Guys, please, as always we say, subscribe. Let's take him to 1,000 subscribers. And if you are here, say Claude Joseph sent me here, and I really appreciate your love and support. Kindly, let's wish him the best by subscribing. All right, Mr. Mark. Bye.
Thank you so much, Claude Joseph.
Thank you.
Hello my people, hope you enjoyed to watch my video, and as I said before, this is a new channel guys. Please continue to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to share the videos, the link of the video to your friends guys, so that you can push me to 1k subscribers, and maybe over than 1k guys. Please help me. Thank you so much for continuing to watch my video. I appreciate everybody who taking time to watch. Actually, this is a new channel. My name is Samuel _KE from Hispania border, but today from Kenya, and today I was just doing a video with my friend Cloud Joseph. Let me take the opportunity to say thank you so much, Cloud Joseph, for to allow me to come to your place, and even to advise me how I can do, even to help me to open this new channel. Actually, this is a good heart, Cloud Joseph. Let me say God bless you abundantly. Thank you so much guys for watching, and God bless you until another day, when I will do another video. I appreciate everybody. This is an end of the video today. My name is Samuel _KE. Bye bye.